My respected headmaster, teachers, SNC members, my elder brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. Myself, Priti in class 5. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate our Independence Day every year on 15th of August. Today we celebrating our 78th Independence Day. It is a very important day for Indian citizens because on 15th of August 1947, India got her freedom from the British rule. India became independent after lots of hard work and sacrifices of brave Indian freedom fighters. Due to these brave heroes, we are living a happy and peaceful life today. We should never forget their contributions. 15th August is an occasion for us to remember the freedom fighters and rededicate ourselves to the service of our nation. It is a day to pay homage to each and everyone who participated in the freedom struggle. It is a day to reaffirm our our oath of taking India to the greater heights. Let's first and foremost be Indians beyond the narrow boundaries of language, region, community, and religion. It is only through our collective efforts that India will turn into the global superpower that we have always dreamed her to be. India's journey since the first unfurling of the tricolour on the 15th of August 1947 atop the Red Fort till date has been a long and glorious journey. Let us take this occasion today to dedicate ourselves to the cause of the nation and our people, and stand united against all obstacles so that we can materialize that glorious India which we have dreamed of for us and our future generations. Let us turn India into the global leader in spreading human values and universal love. जय हिंद, जय भारत माता की जय. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos to encourage me. Wish you all bright future ahead.